I'm going to be showing you how to build Asian houses in Where Winds Meet. So in Where Winds Meet, you can build your own Asian style house and base once you unlock the construction system, and it's much more flexible than just renting a pre-made home. And here's how it works. So the first thing is to unlock building. So to start building, you must reach around level 25 in the game. So to get there, you must complete the exploration quest, building one last job, which gives you a starter materials and unlocks construction mode. This quest sends you to Halo Peak and involves talking to Yang Yuan and crafting pagoda parts. Once that quest is finished, you'll have the ability to build structures anywhere in an open world or your own plot. The first thing you need to do is gather materials. So to build houses, you'll need materials like timber, stone, raw ore, or other crafting parts. You can collect them by cutting down trees and bamboo. So you have all sorts of trees. You can find bamboo right here. So you must cut them down. You can also mine rocks and ore in the open world and buying materials from vendors near town. And after you've done that, all you need to do is select the plot and confirm the area, and you can start building Asian houses. So there you go. That's how you build Asian houses in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.